In my 10 years as an agent, I've learned a lot about negotiating and buying homes. I want to share it all with you in my new book, Jim's Guide to Purchasing a Home. There's a lot to know when you're buying a home. All too often I come across people who are selling their home, and when I look at the history of their purchase, I find they pay too much or they're handcuffed by their mortgage. This is a painful thing to explain to people. It's so important to review the facts before you buy. And that's just a small part of the buying process. I've written this book to help buyers understand the buying process and avoid costly mistakes. No one wants to buy other people's problems, let alone pay too much for them. You'll learn how to understand your needs versus wants, avoid spending on features you'll never use, and what to look for when you're viewing a home or shopping for a mortgage, and much, much more. This book will make you a better educated and a better prepared buyer, and ultimately save you money. And it's not just for first-time buyers. My name is Jim Perks with RE/MAX Mountain View here in Calgary. I've been helping people buy and sell homes since 2010. If you're buying a home within the next 6 months and are not committed to an agent, I'd be happy to send you a copy of my book for free. Just click on the link.